Children, welcome back to our channel. We have been discussing the lesson how the dog found himself a new master, right? In the previous classes, we have completed the first 8 paragraphs of the lesson. It is narrated that the dog was servant of wolf at first. He left the wolf because the wolf was afraid of bear. He joined the bear and wanted to serve him. On the way, while going to hunt a cow, it came to know that the bear is afraid of the lion. He left the bear also and joined the lion to serve him as a servant, right? The lion and the dog were happy. The dog was comfortable with lion as there were no other creatures stronger than lion. He was the strongest beast in the forest. What happens? Let us see. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path. Here, two of them refers to the lion and the dog, right? The lion and dog were walking side by side on the way. What happens? They were about to reach a platform. Amid bare cliffs means a raised platform and with clear and it didn't have any plants. It was clear when all of a sudden the lion stopped. On the way, the lion was stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily. The lion stopped and roared. It gave a great roar and struck the ground. Struck the ground means stretched its paw to drag on the ground. Right? He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw. Paw means front leg. With such force that a hole formed there. Forcefully. With lot of energy, it struck the ground and there was a hole formed. Then he began to back away very quietly. Slowly he returned. Back away means returned. Let us see what happens. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. The dog was surprised. His master, lion, was moving backward slowly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Then the lion replied, I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. Then the lion replied, I smell a man coming this way. I can grasp that the man is coming on this way. With the smell, it found that there is a presence of man. The lion said, we would better run for it or we will be in trouble. We have to run. We have to run away from him or else we will be in trouble. We will be in problematic situation. Oh well, then I will say goodbye to you. The dog replied, oh well, then I will say goodbye to you. Lion, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. The dog left even the lion also, right? Why? Because the dog came to know the lion is afraid of man. Let us see what happens. The dog left the lion and he wanted to join man. And off the dog went to join the man. Here it is, picture of man and dog. And off the dog went to join the man and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other masters. When the dog came to know that the lion is afraid of man, he left the lion and wanted to join man. He joined him and from that day onwards, he has been serving man faithfully. This happened long, long ago. This incident has been taken place many years ago, so many years ago. But this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant. After that, today we have the dog as our pet. The dog is having man as his master because he didn't find any other animals stronger than man. Here we can say that the dog is the man's most loyal animals, the most loyal servant, right? And knows no other masters because it found a true leader, right? After reading this story, what we came to know, the moral of the story, the leader must be strong as well as wise. I hope you understood the story. In the next class, let us go through the question answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.